The electric pressure washer 4800 psi max delivers exceptional cleaning power with its maximum pressure of 4,800 pounds per square inch and a water flow rate of 2.9 gallons per minute. Featuring a total stop system, this pressure washer automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, enhancing both safety and energy efficiency. The 25-foot pressure hose allows for extensive reach and flexibility, making it easy to clean large areas without frequently moving the unit. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a 16.9-ounce foam tank, this washer provides versatile cleaning options and efficient soap application for various surfaces. The electric pressure washer is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a 16.4-foot power cord for easy access to exterior outlets. Backed by professional customer service, the manufacturer ensures that any issues or concerns are promptly addressed to provide a satisfactory user experience.